Well, good morning, YouTube and my subscribers. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and today is June 30th, 2024. It's about 2:15 in the a.m. Uh, yeah, today's actually been very quiet compared to yesterday. I came in tonight and relieved my girl here, and she'd already sold everything except for the three reservations, and they came in while we were changing money and counting the bank. And even before she got out of the parking lot, I had the three reservations that were left already taken care of and on their way to their rooms. Yay! And then ever since then, about the only thing I've had to do is answer the phone and send people down the road. So, a very quiet night. And the phone hadn't even rung that much for, yeah, peaceful night. uh, but instead of getting out of here at 8, like I thought I would, I actually got out of here about 7 something and went and got some food and brought it back here. Shared some food with the girl who relieves me on Saturday and Sunday mornings. Yeah. Okay. I was hungry. I wanted food. But I still managed to get home, and instead of doing the lawn, I went straight to bed. It's probably a good thing because sometime around about, well, I guess it was 1:30 or so, power went out. They came in and, yeah, temperature went up real quick. It was, 98, 7, bouncing under 100. So, yeah. And all of a sudden, air conditioning going off and the temperature starting to go up. Kind of that and the extra noise. Yeah, fun stuff. Oh, the new neighbors decided to go ahead and mow the lawn in the afternoon. So I didn't get back to sleep until later. And then they started having a party in their driveway and garage. It is what it is. It's okay. I got some sleep, and that's good. Needless to say, I think I'm going to return the favor, and tomorrow morning when I get home, mow the lawn. And instead of using the electric mower, I'm going to use the gas-powered walk-behind weed eater. Yeah. It is what it is. I'll make sure I have to spend a little extra time on that side of the building to take care of, making sure they know. Because, hey, they were sitting out there being all loud when I woke up to come to work, and were partying out there when I left to come to work, and making a bunch of noise and being very drunk. Being very drunk on Saturday night usually means you want to sleep in on a Sunday morning. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, I don't know whether I'm going to miss the family that was there before or not. We'll see how the folks turn out in the morning. Just saying. Uh, we'll see how they enjoy getting woke up in the morning after drinking all night. Because, hey, just returning the favor, Of course, they might not know that I actually work nights, but I'm pretty sure they do because, well, yeah. They've been there almost 2 weeks now. Pretty sure they've noticed that I come home in the morning and leave out in the evening. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see how this works out in the morning. Just saying. I don't know. I think I'm going to go ahead and buy that iPhone 12 mini. I don't know. It seems like a decent price. I don't really like the price, but compared to what I've seen, it seems to be okay for that price. I was trying to see if there was the actual i12 regular one. I probably should continue to look and see what I can find. But at least the iPhone 12 apparently has the ability to do the couple apps that I want to try. So we'll see. I don't know. It is what it is. Let's see, what else? Yeah, the arms are... They've stopped hurting. Finally. Yeah, finally. I don't know about you, but I don't like vaccines. I really do need to find out if I have to have them all to go over there. I know that a lot of places do require them, so I'm probably going to try to get on the Philippines government page for visiting and see what the requirements are. I've actually got it saved somewhere. Philippine government immigration, what do they call that? Retirement Bureau or whatever. Yeah. See what vaccines I actually need to have to come over there from the U.S. I don't know. If I don't have to have any more, I might not get any more. Don't want to pay that kind of money here no matter what. And these 4 this week, hey, don't like them. Just don't like them at all. So, and I am trying to remember to remain straight. Keep my back straight, keep my neck straight, and do some exercises. Yeah, fun stuff, like try to keep the deteriorated stuff in there from grinding. Fun stuff. Let's see. Yeah. Be going in on Tuesday to hit the therapy for the neck and the back, or lower back. And then have to go to the 16th to get the doctor ordered blood stuff. So, yay. And at this point, there's no getting donations again. So, and by the time I get done with this, that, and the other, I don't know. I'll have to see what my doctor says about this. That'll be in September 26th, so I'll at least get 2 of these draws and see what it works out at that point. Because I still have to go in and get blood tests done at that time to check. Yeah, fun stuff. Some days I really do not like having all this doctors and medical stuff. Seems like a whole lot of headaches for nothing. But then I remember having my fun little ride to the hospital, Yeah, in an ambulance, which is no fun. Uh, would like to avoid that. So, yeah. Don't like doctors but need them. Wish I didn't need them. But it is what it is. This is why I'm trying to cut back on things and see what meds I can do without. I need to take and cut back on, you know, I'd like to be able to cut back on the blood pressure medicine and get rid of a bunch of that. And really, I think getting over to the Philippines will definitely help on that. Just get rid of the stress. Like I say, stress kills. And, it's one of the reasons I like this job. It's not got a lot of stress, but on occasion, it can. And I'd really like to make it to where my biggest stress load is 25 pesos or 50 pesos on how much bait I buy, so that I don't have to leave the beach before before I want to leave, and then not too much bait so I end up staying past when I want to leave. Yeah, that kind of a choice. I don't know about you, but the Philippines sure seems like a very stress-free area if you let it be. I think I'll let it be. Can't see a reason to let minor things, stress me out. Crap happens. So what? Pretty much if it doesn't try to kill me, I just figure it's a good day to laugh and have fun with it. So, yeah. I just want to try to go fishing, and if nothing else, if I die between 62 and 67, well, I die on a tropical island fishing, so that's a win. If I catch a giant tuna while out there doing that period, there's a bonus. If I make it to 68 and I'm the old man on my dad's side, hey, there's another bonus. If I catch extra tuna between there and, whenever, more bonuses. If I actually make it to, like I said, 84, being the youngster on my mom's side, well, I'm the youngster on my mom's side. Between 68 and 60 or 84, I'm the youngster on my mom's side. But I'd like to not be the youngster on mom's side and make it to 85. Yeah. But hey, anywhere along in there, me dying, well, I died on a tropical island fishing, caught a few big tuna, and yeah, what's the downside? I'm having fun fishing on a tropical island, and hey, it's the Philippines. You're supposed to have fun, right? Anyway, managed to get another subscriber today, so I am up to 110. Yay! Oh, please do like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and comment. Please do. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a blessed weekend and that it was a very enjoyable one. Some of you are already waking up to the idea of Monday morning. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is, and, well, it's a good day. Have a blessed day. I'm William from Williams, Philippines, and hey, and fish out.